Psycho, crazy.
My mind got a chamber, someone like a hangman. Upstairs she stay there, torment she play there. Every day I stop and think, did she really lie to me? Psycho come to tell a lie, yeah. Psycho come to play and justify. It's not her that'll haunt me, but memory that'll taunt me. It's not her in my mind, but the psycho inside. Facade with a makeup, every day trying to make up. Believe, girl, I left you. Goodbye, it's a breakup.
Everybody psycho, crazy. Everybody looking hazy. Everybody psycho, crazy. Everybody looking hazy.
You know, I can trust my bros, but still not a female though. But I know, up in my mind they ain't all living a lie, but trust is a new fight of mine. Since fear got a hold of my mind, ever since I was caught with the truth, I was caught face to face with the lies. I gave you all of me for a fake reality. Suffer through your lies till I see into the light. But God is full of grace and mercy every day, so even in the end, I'm forgiven to the faith. I be praying every day for a life full of grace, cause apart from His grace, I be dead in the race. But I trust any pace when I trusted a fake. In a fight that I'll face till I die in the grave, cause
everybody psycho, crazy. Everybody looking hazy. Everybody psycho, crazy. Everybody looking hazy. Everybody psycho, crazy. Everybody looking hazy. Everybody psycho, crazy.
I prayed over time every day, then it popped in my brain while I'm going insane. Instead of trusting in my God, I was looking to His girl. Ever since I got a ring, I was running like a gerbil, not trusting God's time, not looking to His plan. I was like Tarzan, I was hoping for a vine, abiding from my girl instead of being in divine. Now my stomach might hurl cause I trusted in my mind. Though my trust been broken, it hurts to give. Christ died to show that my trust can't live. Though I still got a scar and I wouldn't get far with a psycho in my chamber, giving me all the singer of this plague. In my head with it for cross, instead I crucify my mind with a psycho still inside. He resurrect my mind with Christ, my prize. He my aim in life till the day I die.